Peace and blessing, Hunter chillin'. How Hunter be? This year the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. So glad for be right here on Eddie Stove. One more again. Or with them chillin' calling Eddie Slow sometime and thing like that, Eddie. Well, guess who else been here with me? The Hallmark family. Hunter chillin', y'all gotta have to tune in with us. Look y'all. Oh, I know you go. Yeah, this y'all. It bout we. That thing take place right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation for true. So I want you to tune in too. Just make sure you look down the bottom and you can see when they're coming on. We want you to tune in and then hit me up at GullahGeechee on Twitter, at GullahGeechee on Instagram, and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook. I want Yeddi with Hunter chillin' thing for the girlfriend get away and how they get away down here to where the Gullah Geechee stay. Got a little treat coming up for Hunter chillin' about that thing and why y'all are Yeddi about this year from me. So make sure you tune in and Hunter go and see. Peace and blessing, everybody.